In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up Coming Soon page on Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard using the account connected to the store you want to manage. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see the main control panel with all of your store management options displayed on the left side of the screen. From the left menu, locate and select the option labeled Online Store. After opening that section, continue by clicking on Preferences. This will open the settings area where you can manage storefront visibility and password protection settings for your Shopify store. Inside the Preferences section, scroll down until you find the Password Protection area. In this section, Shopify allows you to restrict access to your store while it is still being prepared. Once password protection is enabled, visitors will no longer be able to view the full storefront unless they enter the correct password. Turn on the password protection option to continue. After enabling it, Shopify will ask you to create a password for your store. Enter the password you want visitors to use in order to access the website while the restriction is active. Below the password field, you will also see an area where you can add a custom message for visitors. Enter the message you want displayed on the password-protected page. This can be a short message such as "Coming Soon," or any text you want visitors to see before the store becomes publicly available. If password protection cannot be enabled, your account may still be using a trial plan. In some cases, Shopify requires an active paid plan before these settings become available. If needed, select a plan before continuing with the setup process. After entering the password and custom message, scroll down and click on Save to apply the changes. Once the settings are saved, the store will no longer be fully visible to the public. Visitors who enter your website will now see the password-protected page instead of the storefront. If you later want to make the store public again, return to the same Preferences section and disable password protection. After saving the changes, visitors will be able to access the full store without entering a password. You can return to these settings at any time to update the password, edit the message, or change the visibility status of your Shopify store. This completes the full process for setting up a Coming Soon page on Shopify. Thank you for watching.